10 good dreams that indicate progress. 1. You see yourself in high places. If you see yourself high on a tall building or mountain, it means that your life is about to elevate. 2. Ripe fruits and growing plants. If you dream of ripe fruits and plants growing, it is an indication of blessings to come. 3. Crying in dreams. Crying in dreams means happiness in the physical realm. 4. Short, bald hair or someone cutting your hair. Short hair means your problems will not last long. Bald hair means your problems will be eliminated, and someone cutting your hair means that you will be helped with your problems. 5. Crossing a river, especially a rough one, means that you will progress to your new level. You will overcome obstacles. The Book of Dreams will be available soon on Kindle. 6. A calm, clear river indicates peace and clarity. 7. You're at an airport or inside a plane. This also indicates progress. Go into higher heights. 8. Fish indicates the blessing of pregnancy, especially if those fishes are falling from the sky. 9. Dreams of a barrier between you and a snake, crocodile, or anything that is trying to attack you means that you are protected by God. 10. If you defeat anything trying to attack you in your dream, it means that your enemy did not win over you. You are stronger than your enemy. 11. If someone is chasing you but doesn't catch you, it means that you are protected by God. You are quicker than your enemy, but you should still pray to strengthen your spirit in case there's a fight, so that you can win. Job 33:14-18. For God speaketh once, yea twice, yet man perceiveth it not, in a dream, in a vision of the night, when deep sleep falleth upon men, and slumberings upon the bed. Then he openeth the ears of men, and sealeth their instruction, that he may withdraw man from his purpose, and hide pride from man. He keepeth back his soul from the pit, and his life from perishing by the sword.